Hey, Money Gang!
What's up, y'all? What's up?
So today we're making a video on
Forex.
everything you need to know about it. What introduced us to this opportunity, I guess, or who did, and just a little bit of information.
Yeah, and pretty much everything, like how we got involved and who we're involved in and everything. We just want to give you a little short info on it and how we got involved and how we're actually escalating very quickly. But yeah, let's get straight into it.
So what Forex is Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, and what we do is trade currency in the foreign exchange market, and it is actually a $7.7 trillion market that we trade in every day.
A lot of money.
A lot. So there's definitely money to be made, and the best part about it is we make this money from our phone, like from the comfort of our homes. We don't clock in, we don't wear no uniform, we get up, we make money, and we're actually impacting others around us with this opportunity.
Yeah, so foreign exchange, we're just trading actual currencies inside of the markets. Going back off that, Forex was first presented to me like last year, probably around like February of 2019, and at first, I was just like kind of skeptical about it, but the person who introduced me to it actually told me about a demo account that I could make. And what the demo account does basically is it allows me to practice like real trades, but with money that they would give me. So it's almost like a video game. You have to do everything inside the video game right to actually win the game, and in this case, winning money is winning the game. And like I said, when she first introduced me to it I was a little skeptical, but she actually just kind of like threw it out there, like, do your demo account and to try to make trades. And I was like, okay, I don't really know. So I actually tried to look up how to do Forex, and when I looked it up, everything seemed so hard for me. Like, I can really say everything was hard for me. Even I looked up how to do Forex or Forex for dummies, and I still didn't get it. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm dumber than a dummy or something like that. But yeah, so that's that. And so I kind of like just gave up on it until recently, like within the last few months. My brother actually hit me up because he had joined Forex with people that he have known, and he was like, bro, you got to get in this opportunity. And I was like, hey, if you can do it, I mean, why can't I? And I was actually seeing the progress that he was making. So I was like, hey, if you can do it, why can't I? You my brother, I trust you. And ever since then, it's just like been getting to it very fast. And I'm actually in a group with my girl, so it's like it makes everything better. So
okay, so I want to even piggyback on something that I said previously. Let's say if me and Damani was to go to Europe right now, we would have to trade our American dollars, US dollars, for the Europe or European currency, which is a euro. So we would have to do that, to buy things, or just to travel in a different country. You would do that anywhere. Now and then when we come back to the US, we would have to do the same thing. So what we're doing is that on our phone. So we're actually just trading currencies, buying or selling them, at different rates, because the rates do fluctuate every day, every hour,
every second, really.
Yeah, every second. So that's exactly what we're doing on our phone. Now, how I got introduced to this opportunity was from a friend from college, like one of my really, really, really close friends. She was a person who, she's a videographer, so she definitely made like motivational videos, but she started making more videos about Forex. So when she was saying, she was a college student, we basically, the same story. We're in the pandemic. Well, if you guys didn't know, I'm from Jersey, Damani's from Chicago. We were in a long distance relationship, and I was actually here for spring break. Now, my spring break extended quite some time. So
been here for a while.
yeah. So with that, it was just like, you know, I was a college student. All my courses turned in online. All of my jobs really revolved around school. I was an after school teacher teaching little kids how to sew, and then I also had a work study job, and then I was doing Postmates. So with all those jobs, you know, 2 of them revolved around school, which was closed because of the pandemic. So that was, you know, 2 sources of income that I wasn't receiving. And then my Postmates, I don't have no car here. You know, I was traveling. So that was another source of income that was just like gone. So I was here, and I'm seeing Mahogany, my friend, you know, introduced me to these opportunities. And knowing her, I know she's a go-getter. She has the same mindset that me and him both do. So once I seen her, you know, telling people about it and really being passionate about it, I was just like, sign me up, like tap me in, like where's the results? Like, and I wish I could just like screenshot my DMs and show you guys. I might have to, because like it was really like all caps, like what do I have to do? I'm interested, like what's the results? Like I was just ready for it. So that's pretty much how I got tapped into this opportunity. And now it's just like we're both just tapping people that, you know, really close to us, our family, our friends, people who aren't even really, you know, family or friends, but they know who we are personally. They were probably in our class, or, you know, we went to work with them. They're our employees, not employees, but coworkers, like, you know, just people that know who we are, and taking that opportunity and taking a leap of faith. Like, if I know Damani, if I know Ye, and I know she a go-getter, I know he's a go-getter, like, I'm in. And that's exactly what's been happening. Our family, our friends, you know, just associates, people on our social media even, just been definitely tapping into this opportunity, and we're just taking it and running with it.
Facts.
There's 2 parts of Forex. So there's a part where you can just trade by yourself, or there's a part where you can actually, you know, learn how to trade. You can be a part of an organization, and, you know, it's like y'all working together, basically. Y'all creating an empire together. That's how I look at it, because that's exactly what me and Damani are doing right now. You know, trading by yourself, it's definitely not the way to go in my eyes. To each his own, though. That might be your choice, but for us, it was just so better because, one, you're getting access to, I feel like, 4 really key things, or it could be 3. I don't know if they're gonna come up, but rather 4 or 3 things. One, we're getting introduced to my organization. Our organization is called Kingdom, and it's just like we have a group of people helping us day to day. Just, they want to see us succeed. We're all going to be at the top eventually, so it's just like we're helping each other get there. And then 2, we have this, we have access to these Zoom calls, and these are people who are ranked above us. Like, we just hit a platinum 150 rank, but there's chairmen, there's higher levels of platinum, and even people in our group as well. Like, you know, they just spread information, drop knowledge on us all the time, 5 to 6, 7 times a day, depending on, you know, if they just feeling like dropping more knowledge on us. And it's just like that, just they're real people, just like just it's us. Like, they're people who is our age, you know, our skin color, our complexions, you know, all just want to see us succeed and grow. And they're just all impacting other people's lives, just like how we are. Like, I keep probably saying that over and over, but that's exactly what's happening. Like, we're just, you know, taking this opportunity, and we just want to see other people grow and, you know, succeed and break this can't even get the word out. Generational wealth. Like, I feel like that's everybody's, you know, main goal. You know, one of mine was definitely just making more streams of income, like not just one. And this is going to give us the opportunity to do whatever we want, honestly. So we have access to those Zoom calls. We have access to, you know, our organization. We have access to these modules. It's like so dope just how we get knowledge off of, you know, the internet. But these modules just give us insight. They teach us how to read a chart. There's 100+ full-time educators, and these are full-time traders who are breaking down their strategies. And these are, you know, strategies that have gotten them millions of dollars. So it's like, you know, they're taking the time and having live recordings that we can access to forever. Like, we have access from videos that I scrolled down on one of them, and it was a video from 2018. We weren't even in the business at 2018. You know, we just tapped in probably 2 months ago. So it's just like, you know, we can scroll down as long as we want and just keep getting knowledge and information on ways to make money, new ways to make money, honestly. So, and it's just like a skill that nobody can ever take from us. Like, we can do this till we're 80 years old. So it's just like we're never gonna clock into a job ever again. Like honestly, this just changed our lives in a matter of 2 months. So if we can do it, I feel like anybody can do it. So it's just a great opportunity, and that's why we're telling you guys. That's why we're making this right now, because I know a lot of people were skeptical about it. We were skeptical about it, and it's just like if y'all know us, and I'm sure if y'all follow us on Instagram and all our social media, y'all definitely see us posting more about this opportunity. But it's because like this is something that's gonna change our lives, and we wanted to change our lives too. So
we had to change our lives, and we're just gonna change it for the better.
Yeah, like, and y'all definitely going
keep getting better.
Right, and y'all gonna see us, little by as we get I can't even get it out, but y'all gonna see us on this journey. Like we're taking y'all on this journey with us,
day by day.
Yeah, so y'all gonna see days in the life of a trader, or like just us taking trips.
It's gonna be a lot of y'all on this too, so y'all gonna be right there with us.
Yes, and if y'all,
that's just how it go. Like everybody. Just gonna see how it is.
Exactly, and if y'all are interested in this opportunity, like we're gonna put out social medias in the description below, so y'all can always hit us up if it's our Instagram, anything like Twitter, anything. Y'all can hit us up, and we'll definitely give y'all the information. We would love to give y'all the information. We would love to tap y'all into this opportunity. So
one thing we didn't actually bring up is probably the best part about the whole thing.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about it.
Like, so we're in a group, right? And let's say I invite her to the group, and I know everything about Forex, but she doesn't. When she get into the group, I'm sending the same trades that I'm getting to her. So she's basically getting a free game. So I'm sending you the same trades because I know how to read the charts. I know how to get into the charts and do all of that, but I'm sending it to you because you don't know how to do it yet. But since you're in my group, you're going to get it for free.
Yeah, you get access to this.
So it's like we get the modules. We get free money pretty much because we getting what we like to call the copy and paste trade. So they send the trades, we copy them and paste them into our trade. And we also get access to this like great family. Of course, for us now, we actually have like actual blood ties in this now because I have my father in it, my mom in it, my sisters are in it. It's just going up. She has her father and her mom in it, grandma and cousins, everybody. We're just going up like it ain't no limits to it. But like I said, that's the best thing about this whole thing because, like I said, I don't even have to know how to do Forex or trade Forex. And let's say I come into the group just because I want to get the copy and paste signals. That's fine. You can come in and get the copy and paste signals. You don't have to get on no Zoom calls. You don't even have to learn how to trade all the way until you just not trade no more. Like, that's just how it go. But if you did, so you're getting the copy and paste, you know how to do it on your own, and you're able to help other people do it too. So I just think it's like a win-win situation. Yeah, you can't lose.
Because this is exactly what we were doing before. We actually picked up on strategies to read the charts and different patterns and things like that.
That way we can like do it on our own.
Yeah, but
solely depend on anybody else.
Before we were just learning while we were earning. We were basically, still tapping into these modules. We were still tapping into these Zoom calls, and that's what we were doing. We were learning, but we were still making money because we have people sending us exactly what trades to get can't even get it out. Exactly what trades for us to get in. Exactly what to do, whether we're buying it or selling it. So I like Damani's little reference. He calls it like he calls it like a group chat,
yeah,
like a college group chat. So
I know my college group chat, we was all in there just cheating basically.
Right. Yeah. So basically, we're in a college group chat, right? So we have A+ students, right, sending us the answers. Now we're still, studying, but we're still, getting all the answers from the A+ students. So it's like even though we're getting those answers, and even though we're still studying, like we're still getting A's, we're still getting A+. We're still getting A's, but in our case, or hundreds, but in our case, we're getting $100 bills. Like
cha-ching, and this is real.
Yes, like we're getting $100 bills. So I always say, pretty soon, we're learning, we're still studying, but pretty soon we're gonna get it. We're not even gonna need those A+ students giving us the answers, but we're gonna take that because that's like our extra credit. So it's like they got the extra credit answers, and we already studied for the test, but we ain't studied for the extra credit. Right. But it's now we're getting that 110 just because we know what we're doing now, but we're still getting the benefit of our A+ students.
And we putting our people on. What
So
baby say? You say had to leave my brother. Oh no, all that. I have to leave my friends and bring my brothers in. Come on, man. Like it's just that simple. And what Jay-Z say was better than $1 billion now. 2 for real.
Period.
That's how it's
like
coming. That's how we coming for real.
Right, and now we can even talk about we just hit P150. Now P150 is a rank because we brought 3 people in. So Damani said before, as we bring more people in, it's just gonna be a bigger rank and a bigger rank and a bigger rank.
And like I said, this is like people we know, so that's 6 people all together, and that I feel like 6 people is already a big enough impact. Like
right, because those 6 people gonna bring 6 people, like, and it's just gonna keep growing. Those 6 people gonna bring another 6, and it's just gonna keep going and keep going. Because I feel like it hits different with us because those people know each other on a personal level. So it's like, we're not just really just bringing in friends right now. We're bringing more so of our family. So it's like we know everybody on a personal connection, but we still have friends tapping into this too.
And the reason because we know that it works.
Yeah.
And we have proof that it works. And
right.
everybody I had the opportunity to show
tapped
is
in
on board.
Yeah, they tapped in.
Anybody I had the opportunity to actually sit down and show them how it goes, you're gonna want to tap in. It's like, honestly, I see why a lot of people think it's a scam.
Yeah, like it's crazy. It blows my mind. Like I was literally in tears, like probably an hour ago, not even an hour ago, just discussing like our rank ups and just discussing how this organization, like, and this opportunity just like changed our lives in a matter of 2 months. So we can only imagine what's going to happen in the next 2 months. Like at the end of this year, it's going to be a whole 360. Like our whole energy is different. Our whole sleeping schedule is different. Everything has been different since we signed that dotted line. Literally. Like I don't even go to sleep no more, guys. Like I take naps. Like it just like changed my life, but it seemed like it changed it for the better. And I wouldn't want to do it with nobody else. Like it's just been the best opportunity. And like I said, it's only been 2 months. So it's just like our life is changing right before our eyes, and we changing other people's lives right in front of our eyes. And that's the type of stuff we was born to do. I feel as though that's our purpose. Like we were born to do this. So that's why we would definitely want to tap y'all into this, because it's like y'all need to be tapped in. We want to see y'all win, just like y'all want to see us win, and vice versa. Like it's just
really only the beginning, because like it's for everything Forex funded.
Nah, for real. Like
everything Forex
that's
funded.
About to be every caption, like,
because everything Forex funded.
Like
whatever we want to do, and I'm not just talking about like traveling or just being like on the fun side. I'm talking about like actual business, like trying to get into our careers, or just like stuff that we actually want to do to help
better ourselves.
Better ourselves, and better the people around us.
Impact others, right?
Impact the world, because I know that's what I want to do. I want to impact the world,
right?
I don't even have to have my face in the camera. I just want to be one of those people that can just have impact on the world, and just like to have other people, or just to like know like what's really going on. And I think that's important for me. So like I said, everything Forex funded. Law school already funded for. That's a bag already checked. I already know it.
Yes.
And I'm not going to law school with no debt. I'm talking debt, whatever it's called. Debt, whatever.
But it's gonna be paid in full, like registration.
And
like here's registration, here's the band.
This is me saying this. What's today?
June 28th.
June 28th. Just watch. Like that's all.
I'm gonna record the graduation for
join,
y'all. Like I'm gonna record the graduation for y'all.
Just watch.
Period. Like
it's coming. It's coming. And ain't nothing, nobody can stop it but me, and I know that's really.
And he's
like,
not gonna stop it. And if he do try to stop, I'm gonna
pick
him back up. I'm gonna pick him back up, so it don't even matter. Like
dreads gonna be long. It's gonna be over with. Nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing.
Gonna be flourishing.
I'm talking about, and then just get back on it, because the Forex funded is just also gonna be on the trips too, because we taking a lot of trips. By the end of this year, Christmas goal is to take me. First 6 people that signed up with us, like we're all going to board for my birthday. My birthday is December 20th, for y'all who don't know.
Yeah.
But we probably do that at the end or Christmas, but it'd be Christmas birthday present.
Yeah.
And we in board, man. We gotta get in there, man.
And then the crazy part is we'll be making money at Bora Bora.
We'll be making money in Bora Bora.
Like we don't even gotta clock in.
Just hold on real quick. Let me check this bag real quick.
Alright. Like I don't even want to use the money in my account to pay for this. Let me just make some money real quick on my phone real quick.
We at dinner. Hold on. Let me do this real quick.
But this is about to be real life. Like,
it is real life.
Yeah, I can exactly like took
it.
the words right out of my mouth.
But you know, hopefully a lot of y'all take this in perspective. This don't think, you know, this is us asking you to be a part of our group. I mean, that would be nice, but we just wanted to get you the information as best as we can, as quickly as possible.
Right. And if y'all definitely want more information, like, hit us up. Like I said, our social media is gonna be down below, so make sure to send us a DM. Like, oh, I need some more information. Yay, come on, tap me in.
And like I said, I'm not using this as a, you know, welcome prop to just get more people to sign up under me.
Not at all.
I signed up under people that I felt comfortable with.
Right.
And I will always, you know, suggest that to anybody else. But if you want to come join the winning team, we got one for you right here. We got one right here for you. But all right, y'all. We love y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe. Definitely share this video. Don't stop sharing this video.
Right. And most importantly, everything is Forex.
Everything Forex funded, baby.
Period.